Well, after a consult with the vet this morning, he thinks I'm doing all the right things with Gale. So we'll just keep on keeping on. No, you cannot go play with the cholla cactus. That would be a very bad idea. Walk on. We got shoes on yesterday. Now his feet are at proper angles, and front feet are at the same angle, hind feet are at the same angle, so that should do him a world of good. He's a happy boy. He likes working. When I was going around the tree earlier, we had to stop and let a horned toad go by. Little bitty one. Go over in the field. What a good boy. Walk up. Hello, Amy. Amy is the only one along. Doodlebug doesn't like this cart because when she's down in the basket she can't see out, so she can't get in and out by herself. Walk on. Walk on. Straight ahead, big boy. Walk on. I know the bugs are terrible. Walk on. We're past it now. Let's trot. Working trot. Wheels on this cart have flat surfaces instead of being beveled. And I think that might make a firmer surface to pull. What a good boy. on more firm ground, he's more willing to trot. It's very hard when you've had a horse that was in really good condition and then they have a layoff. And bringing them back up to that, because you kind of expect them to be at that previous condition. Not until I say so. Now let's walk. Good boy. Amy says, that's good, she's ready for a walk. Could you walk any slower? You're being a silly boy.